Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Paws and Hooves Mobile Veterinary Services, Mesa Veterinary Clinic, and San Francisco Stables. I've had several questions lately. Obviously, we're coming into summer. People are out hiking and maybe out camping or whatever. So I've had several questions lately about the rattlesnake vaccine. So a couple things with the rattlesnake vaccine. One is the very first, it is not 100% protective. Your pet still needs to go immediately to the vet if it gets bit by a snake, and the pet can still die with the rattlesnake vaccine on board. The only thing that the rattlesnake vaccine does is it gives you a little bit of time. So maybe the venom doesn't hit the body quite as quickly, and the vaccine is trying to combat it a little bit. But the pets do still need immediate attention. Okay. The other concern that we have with the vaccine is it has a really high potential for reaction. So instead of, and the reactions can be really bad. So instead of, maybe just a little bit of a swollen face or maybe a little bit of nausea, like some other vaccines, this has the potential of actually killing if the dogs do become allergic to it. So it needs to be watched really carefully after giving it. We here at the clinic do not carry the vaccine for several reasons. One is it does not protect 100%. It has a high potential for reaction, and we don't see that many people requesting it. And since we have to order it in bulk, we just threw out a couple of vials that were expired because we didn't have any clients that needed it. So we can only order if we have a large group of people wanting it. Okay, so it is, definitely can help in certain situations. I know a lot of pets who have been saved with it, but we do have one of our own patients that didn't make it even with having the vaccine. So I just kind of wanted to clear up some of those questions so that everybody is aware. If you are out hiking a lot, out in the desert, it may be something that you want to look into. Okay, so thank you for your attention and have a great week. We'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.